Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant Infinite Reconnect loop. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Start menu and search for Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it, then scroll down and select Other Troubleshooters. Look for the Network and Internet section, then click on Run. This will scan your system for any connection issues and automatically fix them if found. Once the process is complete, try launching Valorant to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem still persists, move on to the second method. Open the Start menu again and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow changes. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command: ipnfig flush DNS and press Enter. Then type the next command, netsh-winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once both commands are successfully executed, restart your computer. After the restart, open Valorant and check if the Reconnect loop has been fixed. These steps help clear DNS cache and reset network settings, which often solves network-related errors in online games. So that's basically how you can fix Valorant Infinite Reconnect loop. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.